First, wait for the installation wizard to load. Select the language you want to have on the Ubuntu server. You can also install the updates right now. I'll skip them. Choose what keyboard layout you want. Set up your network. I'm fine with the default option. Also set up a proxy if you need it. Select mirror. Configure storage. I use entire disk without LVM group. Here is a summary of what disks the Ubuntu server will install on. I recommend backing up important stuff if you have anything on disk. Create a profile. You can also install an Ubuntu server, which allows you to access the server remotely. And you can, in this installation step, install popular server environments. I'll skip this step for now. Wait for the Ubuntu server to install. Eject the live CD away and press enter. After the restart, the Ubuntu server will be installed.